Happy Thursday! I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thursday so far. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whenever it is that you are watching this. We have a calendar to do, and we have a busy day today, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. But right now, we are doing our calendar, okay? So we know that we're in the month of September. So it's September. Now, yesterday was September the 9th. What number comes after 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our apple here, 10. So we're going to put that on our calendar, September the 10th, 2020. Let's see what day. Do you remember what day Mrs. Hensley said it is today? Oh my goodness. It is Thursday. That naughty TH is peeking out. Thursday is today. So we will put that on. Today is Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is tomorrow. Yay! Okay, so tomorrow will be Friday, friends. So tomorrow will be Friday. Now, what comes before Thursday? Because the day of the week that comes before Thursday was yesterday. So let's see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So yesterday was Wednesday. So we'll read that sentence. We're going to do something new today, okay? When I say yesterday was Wednesday, we're going to clap every word that we hear, okay? Yesterday was Wednesday. Can you do that? Yesterday was Wednesday. Let's do today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. 3 words in that sentence, and 3 words in yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow will be Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ooh, 4. Tomorrow will be Friday. Good job, friends. Okay. We're not going to, I just sang the days of the week, but we are not going to sing the days of the week today or the months of the year. Mrs. Hensley is going to just do that every few days, okay? Now that you kind of got the hang of it, we will still be singing that song, but not every single day because it takes a lot of time, okay? Okay, so we need to add a straw to the numbers of days that we've been in school. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, I said when we get 10, we are going to put a rubber band around it, and we are going to put them in the tens place. So this is ones. That's when we have straws without any partners. And then this is tens place. We have 10 straws here. So we are moving that over to the tens column. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? And we need to put a tally mark, but we have 4. So what does Mrs. Hensley need to do when we have 4? Mrs. Hensley needs to put one going diagonal across. Watch Mrs. Hensley. Are you ready? From the top up here to the first one to the last bottom one. So now we have 5, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And we've been in school 10 days. So let Mrs. Hensley write 10 up here. Let's count to 10. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days that we have been in school. Good counting, friends. Okay, Mrs. Hensley has to write the date, but our handwriting paper is still on the board. Are you ready? Oh, I hope I don't give you a headache doing this. Woo, that was a fun ride. Okay, here we go. I still have yesterday's date up there. So Mrs. Hensley needs to erase yesterday's date. Okay. What month is September? We'll do it real quick. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September. 9. 9 dash, and we said today was 10. So the 10th dash 20. Or you could write it S-E-P period 10, 2020, or you can write September 10th, 2020. Just like that. And you will definitely need that date for your journal this afternoon. Okay? So today we have sound skills again. And we are watching the TBF video again, but you will not be doing the writing with the lady, okay? You'll just be listening to the sounds and all of that, but you won't have to do the writing. Just listen. And then we are going to be writing the letter B, and we're going to do a I Spy Bee page, and we're doing our bee craft today. And we're counting and writing numbers, and counting and writing numbers 1 and 2, and we're doing another journal page, and lastly, we will be doing our social studies weekly. So that's the review of today, and so I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful morning, evening, or afternoon. I didn't say that in order, but that's okay. We will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.